Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel, and this is Tech with Bumi. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us on how to start a blog website, okay, using medium.com, okay. I'm going to also do with WordPress, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Medium to start blogging. If you don't want to use your website, or if you don't, in quote, a lot of people say, oh, I don't have money to start a website, to build a website, it's too expensive. In this video, I'm going to be telling you that you can actually start your blog post using Medium, and it's, guess what, it's totally free. You don't need any, you don't have to pay for it, okay. So if this is what you want to watch, why not continue watching? And without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. As you all know, medium.com is a platform where a lot of people start their blogging. You can create an account with Medium, which I will be showing you in this video, how to create an account with Medium, and also you start posting. And guess what? Medium also pay you from how many views you have. If you start posting consistently on Medium, you'll start earning money. Okay? And if you love money, or if you like money, I know some people will say the love of money is not good, but we'll talk about that later. Okay. So if you don't want to be broke and you want to start blogging, is another way of making a passive income, then you can start with medium.com. Okay. So let's just dive straight to the tutorials for today, and let me show you how to use Medium. And I'm going to be showing you how to get ideas from ChatGPT, even if you don't even have any ideas, you don't even know how to write, you don't know how to you don't know how to compose some words in writing, then that is why I'm here for you. Okay. I'm going to be showing you how ChatGPT is going to create this for us to start a blog. Okay. So keep watching, and please like this video, subscribe if you're new, and share out this video. Someone will need it. My name is Tech with Bumi, and I talk about online
Hello,
business.
tech lovers. This is the platform, medium.com. I'm going to be putting the link in my description box for you to sign up. And thousands of people, they go to Medium to read articles. So you can start reading articles, you can sign up for their membership class. They have membership, and you can sign up to start reading their book. And basically, you can also start this for free. You can register for free and start posting your content on Medium, and you get some people will start following you when your post is interesting. Do not give up. Just keep on posting on Medium, and one day you will start earning with your blog. And share it out to to people on social media. Share it out to your friends, because when you start getting a lot of views on Medium, Medium will start paying you some money. Medium actually pays, okay, but you just have to be patient. So now, I to get started, I already sign up for it, but I'm just going to be showing us some things. You can join their membership class or their membership program, like get unlimited access. Okay, then you sign up. Let me see if I can sign. I don't want to join the membership class, but for the purpose of this, let's just sign up. I'm going to sign up using my account. Okay, and can you see we have monthly? I can decide to pay monthly $5, that's US dollars monthly, and I can decide to pay annually, that's 50 US dollars per year. So it's you just select one and you get started. Plan starts Get unlimited access to everything on Medium. Plan starts at less than $1 per week. Cancel anytime, no ad. Support quality writing. Access to any device. Read offline with the Medium app and Matton account. So this is so amazing. So now you just follow the same procedure and you sign up for your Medium account. So this is my account on Medium, and as you can see, this person is a member, and you can see different posts that you can read. ChatGPT is really making the world go gaga right now. So make use of ChatGPT for your business if you've not. And let me open my account for you guys to see. So this is my profile account. I have just 19 followers. So I'm going to put my link in the description box, and you would you you can follow me on my Medium account for updates. I just started being consistent on Medium. My channel used to be a skincare channel before. So I used to write posts. If you can see, this post was written long time ago, like I think 2021 or so. So I used to write on skin about skincare, but I started recently, and as you can see, passive income. This one was 4 days ago. Passive income ideas to make money while sleeping. Okay, so we are going to create a a post right now and utilizing ChatGPT for it. So about you can put about me, then you can say tell the world about yourself. Here where here is where you can share more about yourself, your history, work experience, accomplishments, interest, dream, and more. You can even add image and use rich text to personalize your bio. So this is my bio that I wrote. You can always edit, you can add pictures. Then this is some stuff that I've read, right? And this is my own page. So now let's just get started, and let's go to ChatGPT to help us with a blog post. Then we'll post it here on Medium. So now let's tell ChatGPT to help us write 15 easy online jobs for beginners. Beginners, okay? Then you put 3,000 per month. Okay? Then we'll click on enter. So it's giving us some survey. Yeah. So it's giving us some survey already, and I'm going to do something right now because we are writing a blog. I'm going to copy this, right? I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it here and tell ChatGPT to write a, it depends on you. Let's say a 300 words blog post. Blog post on, yeah, then you click enter. So as you can see, it's giving us the blog post, and we are going to transfer this that is giving us now. We're going to transfer it, we're going to put it on ChatGPT, and we're going to create some pictures to attract people to read our blog. Okay, so now we're going to put this on our blog. First, I'm going to copy the topic, like 15. Yeah, this is my topic. I'm going to copy the topic and copy, and let's create a new page on Medium. Okay, so now we'll come to Medium and I put write. So it says I should add my title. You can always use this format, to you can always use that this text to change format. You can use it, and you can even add link, your affiliate link, to your blog. But let's continue. This is just for the blog. I can do for affiliate marketing. Okay, how to use Medium to sell your affiliate marketing. If you want that video, put it in the comment section. So now let's go to ChatGPT. So we're going to copy this, right? If you are interested in reading this blog, I'm going to pin it in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to pin it so you can read it. So I'm going to copy all this for us to see. So I already copied this, and we'll come to our Medium, and we paste it like this. We delete some stuff that are not meant to be there. Okay. So now this is our blog. So the blog is looking okay, but it's not really looking nice. So we are going to be doing some stuff right now. Like I already numbered it, and I'm going to be highlighting this like virtual assistant. Then I'm going to bold it. Okay. And like this, I'm going to continue. I will finish it. Then I will come back to us. So this is basically our blog. And if you want more, you can tell ChatGPT to elaborate more for you. You can say, give more blog details. Okay. So it's going to give you more details if you want your blog to be more, but I think for now, if you want it more elaborate, more writing, depending on individual, you tell ChatGPT to help you with more or elaborate more on the particular topic you want to write a blog on. And after doing that, you can now copy it and paste it on Medium. As you can see, this is more elaborate, but I'm not going to copy this. Excuse me. So it's giving us a lot, right? And in summary, there are many easy ways job to earn up to 3,000. So I'm not going to be going much into this, but if you want to read this publish, I'm going to add my pictures to it. I can add my pictures because to make it more beautiful, I will add pictures to it, and you can read the final one, the final work. I'll put the link in the description box. Then you can add your pictures also. You can design with Canva, and if you need Canva, my affiliate link is in the description box to sign up for it. So after doing all this, it's you can now come here and click on publish, and it's going to tell you to add like some up to topics so that people will search. You can add some SEO topics like make money. As you can see, it's giving me ideas. Money, make money from home. Okay, you put it says 5. Then online jobs, online marketing, online jobs. Let me see if there's job. Yeah, online jobs, right? I think we are okay, and we'll just publish now. So as you can see, it's publishing. It has already been published, and this is how it's looking. So check my description for this, and you would to read it, and please follow me on my Medium. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it out. Someone might need it. And I hope you're going to start your blog using Medium. All the informations you need is going to be in my description box. So please go ahead, and do not forget to also check me out on my Instagram account and check my bio to see others of my services. I'm also going to be showing us how you can use Medium for your affiliate marketing. Okay, maybe that will be my next video, or yeah, maybe that will be my next video. So watch out for that. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.